Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a nice girl sitting in a park area. So let's start the drawing from the head. And first we draw the basic outlines. There's a flower we can put here, and we just draw the straight line here, few ornaments, and the basic drawing outline of the face is here. All right. This is the eyes. And the lips. And we draw the drawing of the outline, and up to this point now we can draw the shoulder here, and it comes up to this point. Extend the line here. This is a long sleeve blouse, another sleeve on the left side, you can see. Then we can see the hands here and the fingers. These are folded. So these are the hands, and extended here is here. There's a nice dress she's wearing. We draw it like this, and from here we draw a line and extend it up to here. We draw a straight line here. All right. Let's make some wave pattern at the bottom. Parallel to this one, we can put another parallel wave pattern here, and the line extended here up to this. There's a ornamentation here, and the bottom part of the sari is here. She is wearing a traditional dress. It's called sari. All right. So we can draw the leg of the left side here. 1, 2, 3. And another one is here. The bigger one and the smaller, 1, 2, 3. All right, so we can see a few shades on this side and the details of the drawing here. These are the stones. Okay, so few grasses here, as you can see. Also the stone decorations behind her. There's a platform and you can see a steel bar like this. We can draw a parallel one with the previous one, and it comes like this. So it's the railing behind her. Another steel bar you can see here. All right, so you can draw some parallel bars like this. All right, and you can see there's a smaller road on that side, few grasses, and also grasses here, and the trees. One tree is here. All right, so this is the basic drawing. As you can see, we can do few details on the hair. Okay, so this is the primary part. We're going to draw next part and do the colors.